Hi, this is Paul from globaltradingsoftware.com. We have just released the Divergence Cloud for the TradeStation now, which is one of the additional indicators that we use with the xBratAlgo to give us that confirmation. I just want to go through this right now just to show you this on the Dow Jones YM futures from yesterday and go through what happened. So we do get the 5 on the left there, we get the 5 and the 6 star buys. The Divergence Cloud confirmation is here to say go long. So we go long, and then all of a sudden we start to get these little green dots to say tighten your stops. So you know, once we get the first one, it pulls back, it stays, the cloud remains green, it's good, it keeps going higher, keeps going higher. It's saying here also tighten your stops again, and all of a sudden now we get this the dot here and the big red candle, but before that the cloud is starting to turn red. So it's either to break even or just take your profit. Now then, when the 6 star buy comes in on the xBratAlgo, our Divergence Cloud is red. So that's the confirmation to go short. We get the big red circle then on the Divergence Cloud indicator, it's basically confirming that short trade, and then the cloud remains red all the way down here. The first little red dot we get is down here where the cursor is to say potentially here you need to tighten your stop, so it would be just above this sort of position here, and then we do move down, the cloud comes back red again, and then the cloud starts to turn to green here. So this is when we would take profit, when the cloud turns to green. We get the little red dots confirming we need to be getting out. So yesterday, just on YM, combining on TradeStation the xBratAlgo and the Divergence Cloud, really getting that confirmation, helping you to manage the trade. We got the signals from the xBrat, the confirmation from that Divergence Cloud, but also when we look at other trading instances, if there's no Divergence Cloud, we wouldn't take trades. So it's also, if there's no confirmation there. So let's have a look at one of those. So just a little bit further on in time, we get the 4 and the 5 star buys here for the xBrat on the left. This is the same YM, just a little further on in time. There's no Divergence Cloud for confirmation, and from those signals it does come down to test these lows again, and then starts to move up, and then the Divergence Cloud starts to come in. So we have an entry above this 5 star candle here, because the Divergence Cloud has given us the confirmation. We also get the big green dot. You can just see it where my cursor is there, confirming that long just before that high pivot from the 5 star buy candle. So again, with the xBrat, we're waiting for that confirmation from this new Divergence Cloud. So it pulls back down, we get the cloud going green, and we get the green dot from the Divergence Cloud as well. So this is our long position, and then you can see the price action starts to go up. The Divergence Cloud starts to get a little lighter. You can see the little green dots here saying tighten your stops. So we'll be looking at previous pivots to tighten those stops, and then as we can see here, we get the cloud starts to go red. So that's where you start taking that's when you take your profit there. So 2 instances, being patient and getting that confirmation from the Divergence Cloud is really going to change the futures trading, forex trading, even stocks trading on TradeStation. No matter what type of strategy you're using, whether it's Elliott Wave, whether it's xBrat in this situation, the confirmation from those divergences with this Divergence Cloud is going to stop you getting into those trades that aren't quite ready. So hopefully that helps, and I'll speak to you all really soon.